Meaning of embezzler.
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 Embezzler. An embezzler is someone who unlawfully takes property or funds that have been entrusted to them for safekeeping or management. This can include stealing money from an employer, misusing client funds as a financial advisor, or taking government funds as a public official. The result of embezzlement can be devastating for victims as they may suffer significant financial losses, and the perpetrator typically faces criminal charges that can lead to imprisonment, fines, and a tarnished reputation. Embezzlement is considered a serious crime and is punishable by law.